Welcome to learning goal number 2. It says I can find the percentage of a number using multiplication. What I'm doing is I'm drawing an imaginary X with my fingers going multiplication, just to let you know. Before we start, grab your paper, pencil, or pen. What you can expect in this video is 3 practice problems. We will do 2 and you will do 1 on your own, and please take notes and feel free to pause if you need more time, as well as sometimes I'll ask you to pause so you can solve a problem. We had a problem in a previous video that looked at 17% of 40, and we're trying to use models. Unfortunately, we weren't able to get an exact number. We knew that it would be 4 plus some part of 4. So we tried a different model, and we again struggled. It would be 2 plus 2, 6 and something. So we're looking to learning goal number 2, where it says I can find the percentage of a number using multiplication to help solve our problem. So how do we multiply 40 and 17%? 17% is a little odd. We don't really multiply 17%. But we can change 17% into a decimal. So 70% equals 0.17, and we'll take that number and move forward. We have 40 multiplied by 0.17, and now go ahead and pause and solve the problem. Welcome back. We arrived at 6.80. If you didn't get that answer, we all make mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Go ahead and look and see how we can get 6.80. If you got that answer, we agree. Looking at our model, going back, we noticed that it would 6 and something. So if our answer is 6.80, we can see that, oh yeah, that's kind of not quite 1, but that's okay. Again, in this problem, 17%, our models were not exactly accurate. So we had to use multiplication. Let's try problem 2. What is 25% of 80? Again, we'll change 25% into a decimal, 0.25, and we have 80 times 0.25. Go ahead and pause the video and solve the problem. Welcome back. We arrived at 20. If you made a mistake, well, mistakes are just the start of learning. Can you go back and see where you might have made a mistake? If you got 20, we agree. I wanted to show you that 20 is in fact the right answer. We're going to use our models. But Mr. Coe, I thought you said models weren't good at in certain percentages. They aren't, but in this case we have 25%. We used a 5%, 10%, 5%, 100% model, and we can verify that 5, 10, 15, 20, 25% is in fact 20. So our last problem is, what is 35% of 90? Go ahead and solve this problem, bring it into class, and I'll see you then. Remember, mistakes are normal.